In this video, I am going to solve this exponential equation 8 raised to the power x raised to the power 2 minus 16 raised to the power x plus 1 is equal to 0. When I see this equation, there is 8 there and 16 there. This 8 can be written as 2 raised to the power 3 and 16 can be written as 2 raised to the power 4. So this equation can be further written as 2 raised to the power 3 raised to the power x raised to the power 2 minus 2 raised to the power 4 raised to the power x plus 1 is equal to 0. So I'm going to combine the powers now. This is further equal to 2 raised to the power 3x square minus 2 raised to the power 4 x plus 1 is equal to 0, because there is the formula if x raised to the power a raised to the power b, this is equal to x raised to the power a b. You can combine the powers. The same technique I have applied here, just combine the powers. So this equation can be further written as, shift this term on right hand side. This is further equal to 2 raised to the power 3x square is equal to 2 raised to the power 4x plus 1. Now bases are same. I am going to equate the powers. If x raised to the power a is equal to x raised to the power b, you can write this a is equal to b. The same formula I am going to apply here. This is further equal to 3x square is equal to 4x plus 1. Now I am going to expand this expression. This is further equal to 3x square is equal to 4x plus 4. Now shift these two terms on this side. This is equal to 3x square minus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. This is our quadratic equation. I am going to solve it by factorization. I am going to make the factors of this middle term. This is equal to 3x square minus 6x plus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now from the first part, from these two terms, I am going to take out 3x, take the 3x common. This is equal to x minus 2, and the last two term I am going to take the plus 2 out, plus 2. This is equal to x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now combine 3x plus 2, 3x plus 2, and write 1 from x minus 2, x minus 2. This is equal to 0. The multiplication of two factors is equal to 0. Now there are two cases, either 3x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. When 3x plus 2 is equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 2 over 3. When x minus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 2. So x is equal to minus 2 over 3 and x is equal to 2. So this is our answer. X equal to minus 2 over 3 and x is equal to 2. This is our answer. I hope you like this video. Thanks very much for watching.